Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Mix 1 quart warm water with a teaspoon mild detergent. This loosens surface grime without damaging paper. Once mixed, dip a soft sponge and wring to damp, not wet. Excess water causes bubbling. Test on a 1-inch hidden spot so you can see how the adhesive and paper react. If the test shows no discoloration or swelling after 5 minutes, proceed. Make sure to have clean cloths for blotting. Blotting removes stain, scrubbing risks damage. You now remove the stain with deliberate, gentle motion. Start at the stain's outer edge and move inward to contain it. Use light circular motions and rinse or replace the sponge often so you aren't redepositing grime. For greasy stains, a drop of dish soap in water breaks oils. For small ink spots, dab isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab and retest first. Once the stain fades, switch to a damp cloth to remove residue. Then blot dry. This prevents water. You finish by thoroughly drying and inspecting the area. Blot with a dry microfiber cloth, then accelerate drying with a fan or hair dryer on low. Quick drying prevents curling. If a faint stain remains after a second gentle treatment, try a paste poultice. Cornstarch plus water applied, dried, and brushed off to draw out deeper residues. If the paper lifts, stop cleaning and reattach with wallpaper adhesive, clamping until set. If things go wrong, test repair on a scrap before full application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.